We are on the verge of a new era in artificial intelligence, one that promises to reshape our world in profound ways. Large language models, or LLMs, are transforming the field of AI research, bringing new capabilities and insights. These powerful tools can process vast amounts of information and generate human-quality text, and this is revolutionizing how we conduct research across various domains. LLMs have already made a significant impact on software engineering, streamlining workflows and enhancing creativity. They automate tasks, boost productivity, and allow engineers to focus on more complex problems. Now, LLMs are being used in AI research itself, leading to exciting new possibilities and challenges that were previously unimaginable. The integration of LLMs into AI research is a paradigm shift, opening doors to innovative solutions and new methodologies. It marks a new chapter in the relationship between humans and machines, fostering collaboration and mutual growth. This evolution requires careful consideration and ethical deliberation. We must ensure responsible development and implementation of these powerful tools to benefit society as a whole. The future of AI research is being shaped by LLMs, and their influence is only expected to grow. They are changing how we explore the potential of artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This journey promises to be both exciting and transformative as we navigate the future of AI together. LLMs, or large language models, are becoming invaluable research assistants in various fields. They are capable of performing tasks that traditionally required significant human effort, such as data analysis and literature reviews. This frees up researchers to focus on higher-level tasks, like designing experiments and interpreting results. One way LLMs are assisting researchers is by conducting comprehensive literature reviews. LLMs can sift through vast amounts of scientific literature and identify relevant papers, extracting key information and summarizing findings. Additionally, LLMs can also assist with hypothesis generation. They can analyze existing data and identify patterns, which can lead to new research questions and innovative hypotheses. Furthermore, LLMs can even help with drafting research papers and reports. They can generate text, summarize findings, and even create citations, ensuring accuracy and consistency. This can save researchers a significant amount of time and effort. The use of LLMs as research assistants is still in its early stages, but the progress is promising. However, the potential benefits are enormous and could revolutionize the way research is conducted. As LLMs continue to evolve, they will become even more powerful tools for AI researchers and scientists across various disciplines. The increasing use of LLMs in AI research is changing the role of researchers. Researchers are no longer limited to tedious and time-consuming tasks. They can now focus on more creative and strategic aspects of research. With LLMs handling tasks such as data analysis and literature reviews, researchers can dedicate more time to interpreting results. They can focus on the why behind the data. This shift also allows researchers to focus on developing new research methodologies. They can explore innovative ways to use LLMs to advance the field. The role of the AI researcher is becoming more about guiding and overseeing the research process. They are becoming orchestrators of knowledge, using LLMs as powerful tools to drive discovery. The field of AI research is constantly evolving. LLMs are just one piece of the puzzle. Researchers are exploring new frontiers in AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One promising area of research is hybrid AI. This approach combines the strengths of LLMs with other AI techniques, such as symbolic AI. This can lead to more robust and adaptable AI systems. Another exciting area is multimodal learning. This involves training AI models on multiple types of data, such as text, images, and audio. This allows AI systems to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the world. The future of AI research will be driven by innovation and collaboration. Researchers will continue to develop new techniques and approaches, pushing the boundaries of AI. Section 5. The ethical tightrope, navigating job displacement, bias, and misinformation in the age of LLMs. The rise of LLMs in AI research also raises important ethical considerations. These considerations are not just theoretical, but have real-world implications that affect various aspects of society. As with any transformative technology, there are potential downsides that must be addressed. These downsides can have far-reaching consequences if not properly managed. One concern is job displacement. The automation capabilities of LLMs could render certain job roles obsolete, leading to significant shifts in the job market. As LLMs become more sophisticated, they could potentially automate some of the tasks currently performed by AI researchers. This automation could extend to other fields as well, affecting a broader range of professions. This could lead to job losses in the field. Another concern is bias. Bias in AI systems can have serious implications, influencing decisions in ways that may not be fair or just. LLMs are trained on massive datasets, which can reflect existing societal biases. These biases can be inadvertently amplified by the models. This can lead to biased outcomes and perpetuate harmful stereotypes. Addressing bias in AI is crucial to ensure fairness and equity. Misinformation is another potential risk. The ability of LLMs to generate text that appears credible can be misused to spread false information. LLMs can be used to generate convincing but false information. This misinformation can spread quickly, especially on social media platforms. This could have serious consequences, eroding trust in information sources. The spread of misinformation can undermine public trust and create confusion. Addressing these ethical challenges is crucial. It requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders involved. Researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders must work together to ensure the responsible development and deployment of LLMs. Collaboration and transparency are key to navigating these complex issues. Section 6. A framework for the future. The importance of ethical guidelines and human oversight in AI research. To mitigate the ethical risks associated with LLMs, it's essential to establish clear ethical guidelines and ensure human oversight in AI research. Ethical frameworks should address issues such as bias mitigation, data privacy, and transparency. Researchers must be mindful of the potential impact of their work and strive to develop AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and beneficial to society. Human oversight is crucial throughout the AI research process. Humans should be involved in data selection, model training, and result interpretation. This helps ensure that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals. By prioritizing ethical considerations and human oversight, we can harness the power of LLMs while mitigating the risks. Section 7. The power of collaboration, humans and LLMs, working together to advance AI research. The future of AI research is not about replacing humans with machines. It's about collaboration. Humans and LLMs can work together, each leveraging their unique strengths to drive innovation. Humans bring creativity, critical thinking, and ethical reasoning to the table. LLMs offer unparalleled computational power, data analysis capabilities, and the ability to process information at scale. By combining these strengths, we can achieve breakthroughs that would not be possible alone. Humans can focus on high-level tasks, such as defining research questions and interpreting results, while LLMs handle the heavy lifting of data analysis and information gathering. This collaborative approach will lead to a more efficient and productive research process, accelerating advancements in AI. Section 8. The future of intelligence. A balanced perspective on the symbiotic relationship between humans and AI. The relationship between humans and AI is evolving rapidly. As LLMs become more integrated into our lives, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. AI should be viewed as a tool to augment human intelligence, not replace it. The future of intelligence lies in a symbiotic relationship between humans and AI. By working together, we can leverage the strengths of both to create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. This requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration between AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with a focus on human well-being. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits everyone. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the future of AI research. A collaborative journey of discovery and innovation. The integration of LLMs into AI research is a transformative development. It presents both exciting opportunities and complex challenges. By embracing a collaborative approach, prioritizing ethical considerations, and fostering open dialogue, we can harness the power of LLMs to advance the field of AI research for the benefit of humanity. The future of AI is a journey of discovery and innovation. It's a journey we must undertake together, with a shared commitment to responsible AI development.